Hi everyone, in this video learn about class 7 more on Flash. Do you know children what is a Flash? A Flash is a popular authoring software developed by the Micromedia. It is used to create vector graphic based animation program with the full screen navigation interface graphic and illustration. Okay guys, in this important topic is quick revision Flash, concept of layer symbols and instance and doing motion, twin and shape twin, importing sound file and moving creating the mass effect. Okay, a quick revision Flash. The Flash software is used to develop interactive graphic and the animation which can use website for any other multimedia purpose. Flash elements can include the simple text button, scrolling text, slideshow pictures, animation complete with the sound. Let us quickly go through the important components of the software screen. Okay, first menu bar, layer, playhead and frame and timeline. Your next topic is what are layer. The main purpose of the layer is provide to separate timeline in which you can control animation independently. For example, we can animation on circle. If you want to animation to balls on ball going past another, it is not possible to do it single layer. We require two layers for it. One layer in this ball moving a slope speed and the second is your second option is second layer in which another ball is moving at the fast speed which will overtake the other balls. I hope you understand. Your next topic is adding new layer. Its option is to add new layer. Click on the new layer button in the layer window and deleting option. You know that children, to delete layer click on the delete layer icon in the layer of window. And symbol and instance. A symbol is reusable object used create a Flash. A symbol can be reused throughout your movie. You know children, for the effective and efficient working with Flash it is necessary to know about symbols and instance. Here are some points about the symbol and instance. First, anything on the stage can be changed the symbol. Symbol are stored in library. The instant of the symbol, copy of it and drag from the library stage. And the last, each instance can be modified independently without affecting the other instant on the stage. I hope you understand this topic children. Your next topic is type of symbol. There are various type of symbol: graphic symbols, button symbols, movie clip symbols. You know children, what is the graphic symbol? In animation, normally we have the background against which we animated other object. Graphic symbol are the most basic type of the symbols are mostly used to create backgrounds. A button symbols adds interactivity to the movie and respond to mouse clicks. And the last option is movie clip symbols. Movie clip symbols can be content, sound, video, graphic and interactive control. A movie clip symbols consist of the Flash movie within the Flash movie. I hope you understand this topic children. If you any doubt, any question, you ask me. Working with instance. An instance is a copy of the original symbol which we drag from the library to the stage. Okay children, the size, color of the shape and the position of instance on the stage can be altered independently without affecting the original symbols. Okay children, your next topic is animation. How many types of animation? Do you know children what is the animation? Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. There are different types of animation: frame by frame animation and tuning animation. Frame by frame animation is the traditional style animation where you need to draw every frame animation, and the tuning animation in you only create the starting and the ending frames, and the Flash create the rest of the frames in between. Flash automatically varies the size, rotation, color on the images. Your next topic is motion tuning. You define properties such as the position, size and rotation for a shape at one point in time, and then you can change those properties at another point in time. I hope you understand this topic children. Your next topic is shape tuning. With shape tuning you can create on the effect similarly to morphing, making the shape appear to changing change into another shape over time. Remember that the Flash cannot twin the shape of the group, instead symbols, text, book and images. The last option, this is your last option, adding sound. Flash stores sound in the library along with the other symbols. As with other types of symbols, you need only one copy for a sound file. Use that in any number of way in your movie. How to import your sound option? That look at this picture, children. It's so important. Open the file menu, import library dialog box, and the sound file will be placed. I hope you understand this topic, children. If you have any doubt, any question, you ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.